Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. A homemade cast iron skillet pizza is on our menu today. And look at that. Now that's after it's done. Let me tell you something. I'm going to have you dancing like this in no time. Let's jump right into the ingredients. Well, obviously, we need pizza dough. We need pizza sauce. You need a cast iron skillet or a heavy pizza pan. All right? So, again, we need that dough. We need some cheese, pizza sauce. We need meat. We need any other toppings that you would normally put on your pizza that you have. So, you choose your toppings, and we will move along from here. All right? All right, step one, I'm going to show you how the dough is prepared. Now, I have used a Betty Crocker pizza crust mix, but I have a video up of it showing you how to make this dough and how to make it from scratch. You can make it with this, or you can make it with the ingredients that I said, and then you can follow the directions on the video as far as how to make that dough. So to make a perfectly homemade pizza dough, if you don't want to use store-bought ingredients, but right now it's convenient to use that. All right, because that Betty Crocker, that dough is so easy. You want to mix it up with some hot water. You want to mix it up until you get a ball. So you want to get it into a nice ball shape. It's going to do that anyway, practically on its own. So you're going to see in the bowl, as I'm turning, I'm trying to incorporate the flour into the water. You can see a ball is forming. So that's what's going to happen. That's what we need to do. So don't put any more water than you're supposed to. Don't add any butter. Don't add anything to this crust. Like, in other words, don't jack it up. Don't jack your dough up. All right, so we want to get that off there. All right, so what's going to happen is we're going to form it with our hands into an actual ball. Then what happens is we're going to either put a tight-fitting lid or top, or put plastic wrap on the top. And this is going to sit for 5 minutes. And when this is done, in that 5 minutes, then we're going to come back and we're going to put it in the pan. And then I'll show you what to do from there. So easy, so easy. All right, so we're up to assembling our pizza because I cannot wait. All right, oil your pan. You can oil it with any type of oil, vegetable oil. You can use olive oil. You can use non-stick spray. All of it will work. All right, so just make sure you do the bottom and the sides of your pan. Told you, so easy. Kids could do this. Yes. All right, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to get that ball of dough out of that bowl, and we're going to put it right in here. Now, it's going to be a little sticky, but don't put flour or anything on it. You already got enough oil on your hands, so don't put anything here. All you want to do is you want to spread it out. So using a square pan, then make sure you fill it up all the way to the edges. So make sure you just push your dough out. Now, when you push your dough out, if you happen to, which I'm going to do in a moment, if you happen to make a hole like I did right there, push some more dough right there and cover the hole up. Don't leave it. All right, so make sure you cover it up. And you got one whole nice uniform piece of dough right there. All right, because it's going to rise up just a little bit, just slightly, but not too much. So if you are a thin crust lover like I am, then this is right in between thin and thick. So this is like a medium crust pizza. I don't know if that exists, but that's what I call it. I love it. It's so good too. Because I like a pizza you can pick up with your hands, but that you can use a knife and a fork with if you want to. So this is one of those types of pizzas. All right, so get it around there, get it around there. So if you're using a smaller pan than I'm using, obviously you're going to get some of the dough up the sides, and that's fine because that's great. That is great for holding your ingredients. Ooh, especially if you use a lot of ingredients like I do. Then you pretty much good to go. All right, so this is going to go into an oven. It's going to go into a 450-degree oven for about 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. All right, so this is after it comes out of the oven. So after it comes out of the oven, in that 5 minutes, because you got to do that. Don't skip that step. Make sure that you put it in the oven for that 5 minutes, okay? So after you come out, then you can put your pizza sauce, and then you can just assemble it. So here you just start putting all of your ingredients. All right? Alright, so how can you tell that this is ready? You can look around the edges and you will see that it is golden brown. You can take a spatula or something and you can actually lift up the edge of your pizza and look. Alright, so I'm going to slide our pizza off onto a cutting board. Alright, so I just lifted it up again just to look at it, just to make sure the crust was indeed very, very golden brown, which I'm going to show you right here. It definitely was. So check that out. That's what we're looking for. So you can see the thickness of the pizza as well right there. Look at that. Look at that cheese. Look at all those ingredients. Yes. I love it. Look at that. Our pizza is ready. So go get whatever you're going to eat with this, or whatever you're going to drink with it. Go get it. Because I'm going right in. It's a piece on my plate. I'm going right in. Crushed red pepper. I usually do crushed red pepper and some dried Parmesan cheese, but I just love crushed red pepper on pizza. I don't know. I don't like to cook it on there, but I already had jalapenos on here anyway, so put that little bit of that on there, and baby, we are good to go. Yes, I'm talking. Go make this. I'm telling y'all. That is so good. I had to do my little dancey dance. I'm going in again. I'm telling y'all, this was so good. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.
Baby, yes.
For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.